Hi guys, thumbs up, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to Joy Guru's Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some guide tips, hacky tips, how to get unlimited traffic in your Sky VPN, okay, without purchasing any premium service, okay. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do, although I'm going to provide all the necessary stuff for you to get started, you need to download hack app data, okay. Though I'm going to provide all the stuff below this very video description box, so you can get over and then download and get started, okay. Before we start, I will quickly show you the amount of traffic that I having left on my Sky VPN. Though I've used a trick to get some unlimited traffic and use it for this tutorial. Let's see what we got here, okay. Alright, there is it. Okay, you just have to wait patiently for the VPN to load properly. Okay, alright, so let me show you my amount of traffic that I have left on my dashboard. Okay, now as you can see, I'm having a 500 megabytes as my traffic, so we are going to use this trick to upgrade and get unlimited traffic. Alright, so we have to note this 500 megabytes if actually what we are going to be doing is going to work, okay. Now after downloading some apps recommendation, now you open the hack data app. Alright, so you click on it. Alright, now as you can see, this is the interface of the hack app data. Now you click on the hack user app. Alright, here all your apps that are in your Android phone are going to be viewable here, so you have to locate the Sky VPN. Alright, so you click on it. Now make sure you follow every single step for this very tutorial for you, for it to work for you. Make sure you follow every single step. Now you click on the preference, okay. Now you scroll down and click on the Sky info. Alright, now as you can see, these are the information present on that very Sky VPN. Alright, now as you can see, the available traffic we have here is still 500. From here you can decide to choose the amount of traffic that you want, okay. Now let's see. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's see what will happen. Now you click on the save button. Now as you can see, pops up sources. Now you locate the highest base, then you cancel it, then you click it again and then save it. All done. Alright, now you close it and then open your Sky VPN back again. Okay, now that is just a simple tricks for you to increase and get unlimited traffic for your Sky VPN. Now let's see if it actually works. Oops, alright, still 500 megabytes. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's go back again. It seems. Okay. All right. Alright, now as you can see, the amount of traffic we have here is be double. Okay, the amount of traffic we got here double. This is it. So that is just the simple trick for you to get unlimited traffic on your Sky VPN. Okay, now if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, make sure you don't miss my future video. Okay, bye bye, see you.